Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and this is going to be vlog number 7. So how y'all doing? So today we're going to do, this is a little bit different for me. It's going to be kind of a quick one, because tonight I'm a special guest on Micro Homesteader. You'll see it across the screen here, and I'll put a link to his channel. We're going to be going on there tonight live, so please go check him out. Hit the bell so you can see the notification. We're going to be talking about the gardening, bare root trees, greenhouses, all that good stuff. I'll be talking with him tonight on his channel, so come and check us out. If you guys don't have him, again, like I said, his name's going across the screen here, Micro Homesteader. But it should be fun. We'll have a lot of good times and talk about whatever that comes up. But I'm just enjoying the morning, sitting in the sun, drinking a cup of coffee, and talking to you guys. Maybe we'll talk about some of the chicks and meat birds. That's another big thing and a big topic here. Is we got the Red Rangers, and that's going to be a fun-filled time for me. That's the first time I've ever done meat birds. But the trees are blossoming, leaves are coming out, everything looks pretty good. I got about 200 onions planted, and about 200 garlic planted already. So that's good. Hopefully by the end of this weekend I'll have some more. So everything is going really well. The greenhouse is up. Pretty soon we'll be moving some plants in there to try to get them acclimated to the outside. So that should be fun. And do some trial and error. But anyway, what to do? Enjoy my cup of coffee in the sun. That's what I'm going to do. So in the video, guys, down below too, leave a comment if there's something that you would like to us to hit on tonight, or if you got questions or any of that kind of thing. Leave a comment below in this video, that way we can bring it up tonight and address it. Talking about soil samples, soil tests, planting new trees, how to get your trees to, take off for you, that kind of stuff. So, and pretty much how to build a homestead that you can thrive on. And anybody that watches my channel, I'm really big on the whole concept of just a sustainable living and thriving, not just mediocre. I want you guys to be comfortable to what you're doing. I want it to so that you don't feel that stress of a life, and that's how a homestead should be. So we're going to hit on a couple subjects of that too. So like I said, guys, if you got any questions, please put them down in the comments. Leave me a comment. I will bring it up tonight. Once again, we're going to go, I don't know exactly his time, but it's going to be around 7 o'clock. He's going to be sending me an email. So on this video that I'm posting right now, I will have the time that he's going to give me on there, so I'll find out for sure for you guys. But it'll be fun, and it's nice to get a bunch of you guys in there with us so we can have a really good conversation about this, because it's springtime. Everybody's ready to go outside, get stuff planted, get things going, and we're going to try to help them out to make sure it all works out really well. Because what do we want to do? We want to thrive, not just sit here and barely make it, or make it but not as well it could be. We gotta look at our homestead like a plant. Do we want a plant that just bears some fruit, or do we want that plant to be its best? That's how we gotta look at things. So the other thing I was having a problem with is keeping my chickens in. Put up cattle paddles, they still got over. Because now I got the garden opened up, I don't want them in there. So we've been playing catch the chicken for the last 3 days. Never thought chickens were that smart. They are. Don't underestimate them. Baby chicks are doing good. I did end up losing one. I guess he got scared, and the other ones kind of stepped on them. I didn't catch it in time, so I lost one of my meat birds, but otherwise they're all doing really well. I'll get up a video here probably this weekend to show you how big they are. Other than that, we're just going to enjoy the time, and hope to see you guys tonight, and we can talk about a lot of different subjects and help each other out, because remember, everybody doesn't know everything, and the reason why I go in the chat rooms and talk to other people is because that's how things that I've been having struggles with or haven't figured out yet, somebody knows something, and this is a good way to get it all out on the table and everybody to learn from it. So let's go check some trees. Oh yeah, leaves are a-popping. Good sign. Remember guys, for your trees, especially if you got a lot of them, go check out some videos on the cottle moth. It'll help to keep the worms out of your apples or the holes or the nasty parts of things. You got to get them ready to go, because when them leaves pop, it's just a matter of time. So here's my plum tree, looking really good. And down here is my quince, and we've got new growth down here. That's a good thing. Actually ran that guy over with a lawnmower last year. Won't be long now. There's buds are all on these trees. Shouldn't say buds, I should say leaves. You guys know what I mean. This thing is just loaded. Look at that. Prune these guys back a whole lot too this last fall. That's the other trick, guys. If you guys that didn't know, you can prune your trees in October, the October months is when you want to prune your fruit trees. But it's good to take and look at your stuff here. Main reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want the deer to be eating my new trees. There's the greenhouse. Working on weeding and getting that all taken care of. What a beautiful day. All right. So here's the pear trees. You get off of there. And we got new growth. I like to see that. See right here. Another pear. That's some nice growth on there. These were bare roots, guys. Here's my cherry trees in there. Leaves are starting to come on that one. And here comes Coda. Come on, buddy. And Hunter. Say hi. Say hi. And here's some more on this one, so they're coming along really well. Get him, Coda. Looks like everybody's happy to be outside today. So guys, so the start of what I did here is, as you can see, there's cardboard on there because I wanted to get rid of my weeds, but I'm getting away from the till. So what I did is I laid cardboard down and we put black dirt down, and the eggshells throughout the winter that I saved, I busted up and I've got it spread out across the top of here. And then here we'll go in there, we'll check on a compost pile, see how it's breaking down. What I'll end up doing then is I'm going to put my fresh compost on top of that, and then we will be planting. A lot of work. And while I'm over here, I was asked to talk about my scarecrows. We live not too far away from a raptor recovery. Actually, it's just over the horizon over there. So they have the vultures and they have the eagles and they have all that stuff that they take care of. And I understand that. But as they fly by, I have a natural meat source walking around. So what we did is I made these out of PVC and with wires. As you can see, here's the wire sticking through. They used to have pie pans on their hands, which we'll have to get new ones, which makes them move like so. And it's a big deterrent for the birds. So there's one here, there's one down there, and there's one in the middle. It has worked. It has kept them at bay for the most part. Ross does do a good job of keeping the girls in line. They're all skittish now because they all got their feathers clipped. The last straw, which I really don't like to do because they need to fly up onto their roost. But they kept getting out, so that was the last thing I had to do. Ooh, so see you guys. You can see that. We're in the hot zone. She's cooking. And as you can see here, look at that. And it's hot. You can smell a little bit of that ammonia smell yet, but it's not as strong as what it was before. It was terrible before. So there's the other thing that I wanted to talk about today. That's if you guys are having problems with mice, rats. Well, you got a food bank right in your coop. So what you have to get rid of the food, right, and the water. So we have the nipple waters here, but this is a new thing that I've been trying out here, and this is filled with feed, and what they do is they peck at the thing and it drops feed out, enough for them to eat. I try to keep the rats and stuff out as much as we possibly can. Life is a chicken. It's another good thing for them to have is a place that they can dust themselves. And pretty soon we'll have another. I just ordered another 22 Red Rangers for June, so we'll be doing that too. Yeah, you picked up feathers? Yeah. We gotta clean this all up too. Yeah, you gotta watch out. So anyway guys, my walkabout. Here, this is a really good thing. If you guys remember way in the beginning when I first started planting plants in the house, and we did that test on the whole back to Eden concept and permaculture, however you want to look at it. They're pretty close, okay? I want to show you what happens when you have the right nutrients in your ground and your plants will thrive. You guys, look at this sunflower. It's in a 2-inch deep pot. So that's where the roots are. Then they spread it out about 2 inches out in that pot. Well, look at that thing. You know, I never thought, yeah, it's not going to get to its full potential because it's in a really shallow pot. But that just goes to show you with the right concept and the right minerals and stuff in the soil, your plants will flourish, and that's what you're looking for. And over here we have our honeyberry bushes right here. I got one there, and I got a little guy right over here, and they've got green on them too, right here. So yeah, look at the feather. The one thing on my guys with my vlogs, they're true, so you're gonna see me flipping the camera around, doing stuff like that. I don't edit them. I want you guys to see it how it is.
I did.
So I hope to see you guys all tonight. Remember, go check out Micro Homesteader. I will put his link down below. Hold on, Hunter. Yep. So we're gonna go and do a live stream tonight over there, so please go and check him out, and we will talk to you guys on the next one. Like always guys, stay true, God bless, and please share, like, and subscribe to this video, and again, leave a comment if you want something to be talked about tonight. We'll see you guys later.